Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Tor Browser latest version, that is 15.0 on AlmaLinux OS 10.1. But the process is same on all AlmaLinux OS versions. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with AlmaLinux, that is Firefox. Then go to torproject.org, it is the official website. Then click on download Tor Browser. Then click on download for Linux. Wait a moment, download started and its size is 131 megabytes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, then go to downloads directory, ls. See, here we have the zip file. We have to unzip it, tar-xf, then tar-tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter, ls. Now go to this Tor Browser folder, ls. Now execute this file. Just give ./tar, then press the tab to autofill entire .desktop file name, hit enter. Wait a moment, it will be opened. See, we got the Tor browser. Okay, now we have to connect to Tor. If you want to connect always automatically, you have to turn, or if you want to connect every time manually, just turn off this one, as just keep this as it is and click on connect. I want always connect automatically when this open, then click on connect. See, now it is connecting. Now verify the version, go to these three horizontal bars, then help, then about Tor browser. See, we have installed 15.0.2. okay, see, we have successfully connected, and default search engine for Tor browser is DuckDuckGo. Okay, so we have successfully installed Tor browser on AlmaLinux OS 10. Okay, as I told you, the process is same on all AlmaLinux OS versions. Okay, for more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.